Hey, Felicia.
What?
Your mom says go this way.
Tell her we're finding eggs, so.
We're finding eggs over here!
Is this ours, please?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right here. Look at it.
We'll leave those for John.
That's yours.
Holy cow! Hey, does the ping pong count?
No.
Ah.
Come on, Georgia.
Ping pong.
You got one? Yeah.
Come
Georgia.
this way, Georgia.
Georgia, this way, baby. This way.
John, come on, let's go. John, right there. John. You see it? Yes. There it is. You got it. Yay. Oh. You're tricky, aren't you guys? I thought I told
Keep looking.
I don't remember.
Oh, Luke grabbed it.
Oh.
That's fun.
Same thing. There's one there, too.
Mom,
Hey, John.
just push her out of there.
Yeah.
You're making her upset.
Where?
Right there.
There.
Letting her work for it a little bit.
Okay, Georgia, let's go up here. Up there. Look.
She pulled her cutter out.
Comes with the egg.
Oh, that's a good one.
We put them on top of the cutter.
Georgia, go get
The
them.
one on the...
Yeah.
So many I got.
Oh, I thought maybe she's seen it.
Georgia.
What's over there, Georgia?
You guys are getting closer.
Ah,
She got it. That was a good one.
Here, she's not used to it.
Not in the exhaust?
They're like on top of all the cars. Door handles.
Just cute.
Look on Mommy's car.
Where's on Mommy's car? Look on the blue car.
John.
Hey, give a couple of those away, buddy.
No, there's a lot of it.
Yeah, don't worry. There.
So I need
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah.
You need a lot.
Ah, it found that one.
Georgia, come on. Come this way.
Felicia.
Well, there's
Oh.
Smarties in here.
There's...
Only
Nothing like right in the front.
we should have gotten just brown and green.
I got one yellow.
You got a yellow one.
Put a $100 bill in one.
Actually, you did that, right?
Yep.
Our Easter egg kind of...
Georgia, follow Daddy. Follow Daddy. Georgia, follow Dad.
That way or over here? See the post, I guess. Georgia.
Georgia, Georgia, follow Daddy that way.
Come here.
Hey, Grandma. There's one on Grandma's car.
Well, go get it.
There's a green one on Grandma's
Georgia, come over by Daddy.
See that fish? Come here, get some eggs. Look at this one.
Go follow Dad.
Okay, John, is your shoe untied?
You can't reach that. Come here and look over here. Look at all these.
Yesterday, Georgia was helping me pick up sticks. Wagon. With barrels. So it's like, I'm like, pick up that. And I'll have
Georgia. Georgia. Look. Georgia.
Look at that one. That one has money in it.
Georgia. Georgia.
slow down there, John. John, let her get those ones in there. She's in there. Over here. Come back this way.
Felicia, bring Georgia over here.
There's a few over here too.
Whoa, there went them all.
Uh-oh.